Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by checking prerequisites. Make sure your iPhone is on the latest supported iOS and that you've backed up to iCloud or a computer. Once done, open Settings and go to General Keyboard to confirm the emoji keyboard is enabled. You need that present. Next, restart the phone to clear transient issues and free about 100-200 megabytes of space so caches update. These first steps eliminate most simple causes and prepare you for the next, deeper fixes. You now perform the complex execution. Remove the emoji keyboard and re-add it to force a fresh keyboard bundle load. If that fails, reset Keyboard Dictionary. This clears custom shortcuts that can interfere. If problems persist, use Reset All Settings. This preserves data but reloads configuration files. Additionally, update or reinstall any app where emoji don't display, because app-level font or rendering issues often block emoji. Make sure to test in Messages and Notes after each change to identify the exact trigger. You finish by installing any pending iOS update and restarting the device one more time so system fonts and emoji assets refresh. Then test emoji in Messages, Mail, Notes, and a few third-party apps to confirm consistency. If emoji still fail, restore your iPhone from the backup you made earlier. A clean restore often resolves deep file corruption. If that still doesn't work, contact Apple support. There may be a firmware or font issue that requires their tools to fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.